lifting cups, but lifting the standard of this game of sevens. Tuimamba has been exceptional all series long. Duran Lange, one of the Rookies of the Year nominations. Player of the final in Twickenham. Another marvellous afternoon here at the Stade Jean Bouin. Speaking of JB, Jean-Baptiste Gobelin. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Perfect day for
Fiji.
Rugby. Yeah, for Fiji also, yeah.
Well, Anthony Eddy knows that. Jordan Way will get us underway. Shoehorn that one in. So Irish fans, in fact the French band at the Stade Jean Bouin. As we get things kicked off. Doing an Irish national anthem for the band with a pocket of supporters in Irish green on the left-hand side. Nice moment for the band, but our attention's turned now straight to the rugby. Fiji, it's theirs to lose, really, isn't it? This cup quarter-final spot.
Crouch!
Ireland having already beaten England, lost in their opening
Crouch!
game against Argentina.
Point! Set!
Fiji with 2 wins. England by 52-14 and then 40 points on Argentina as well. But it's Ireland with a bright start here. Billy Dardice, the skipper, moves it away from contact. Jack Daly, good ball presentation. Mather rides the tackler. Defensive arm. Fiji with a penalty in. Tuai gets things going. Really unbelievable one-handed skills. Sensational. Here come Fiji. They dropped the ball, JB.
Yeah, drop the ball. It's like that. It's a rival with the Fiji guys, but it's quite interesting. We have no contest on the rock zone for Fiji, so we try to be very straight in defense so they can contain the attack of Ireland.
You normally find teams play a flat line 7 in defence, or a line of 6 with a sweeper, a man behind, just sweeping up around. Often hear that term in sevens, the sweeper. 7th man, corner flagging, like a scrum half would do in the game of 15s. Knocked on by Ireland. It's twice in a row now in the contact zone. Ireland have coughed the ball up, and you cannot cough the ball up to Fiji. You cannot cough the ball up to Tuimamba. What a sensational rugby specimen he is.
Special punishment. We on try from Fiji. 1 turnover, 1 try. Tuimamba with a run. And stop it all. Contest. 42 takes the ball and give Tuimamba.
41 tries this series now. Hat-trick in the final. Some London debut it was for him. And here they go again. They make it look so very easy. It's him again, Tuimamba.
Yeah, easy try from Tuimamba, but such great work from Tuai. Ran very fast on the outside. Look at the traffic, too wide, switch with Tumamba, accelerate the game. Great work from Chuai, the playmaker of Fiji.
So instrumental, isn't he, Jerry Tuai? Petty general.
He can disconnect the defense very easily. He can split the defense just with a good run like that. So it's very important to have a player like Tuai.
48th tournament today for Jerry Tuai. It's high tackle in Ireland. Get things going again. Invitational side, of course, for Lashik in London and this weekend in Paris. Mullen. Some good sevens as well, Ireland. Oh, it's neat, intricate stuff from them. Need to sort this breakdown out. Haven't done so far in this game. Dardis. Now that comes in to try and secure it. Penalty against them. Pick that tempo up from the last penalty and Fiji very slowly to get up from there. Jerry Tuai realising he just leisurely got himself off the ground.
Good work from Irish, you can see. Attackers need to get back the line.
Penalty goes in. Penalty. Fiji clearing too high. Ronavili goes quickly. Too high.
Forward pass there. Inside the 10.
He's awful. Jerry Tuai. Forward pass, get him off. Strip him of his Fiji shirt. I'm joking.
We're offside. It was a forward pass, but
Forward
we're inside
pass
the
from
10,
him.
so
He is
advancing
human
about 10
after all.
metres. Thank you. We good?
Small pass through.
Time off. Let's go, please.
No advantage anyway because of the back 10 from Ireland, so the forward pass play will have to stop. Just for a moment though with Fiji. Not all day for these players. Very warm out there. Tuai, double step. Mujito stretching the legs. They catch him. Flings one out the left-hand side. Tuimamba. Hat-trick time here in Paris. Doing what he did in the final last weekend.
Yeah, fantastic try again from
Over 5.
Fiji. Gets the ball with Botitu. Break the line. And he don't want to finish. He just give a ball to Tumamba. His finisher for that trick. Well done, guys.
Yeah, loving it. Most neutrals watching Fiji in full flow, not being quite at their best as they have been earlier in the day in their opening two games, but still a very healthy lead indeed. That magic third score, 21-0, half time against Ireland.
See how much pressure you put them under, giving away penalty. We hold on to that ball, we get recycled, you work with each other, full long, get the ball. That's where we get our joy. Of course, a couple of penalties that break down with them getting the ball, that's them going the length of the pitch. That's the only difference.
All right, come in. Two things. Off their kick-offs, we got to if they're going to tap that ball back, we got to kill that dirty ball straight away, okay? So whoever that is, Billy probably, all right? I want you on that straight away. We've got to try and get that to ground, get our line set straight away, okay? The other thing is...
Okay, good. Hey, when you came, you had the ball, you struck quickly, struck hard. Especially when it seems tiring the end of this first day. You get the ball, you play the ball quickly back in, and then you'll catch them. Hey, stay with me. You'll catch them. Defensively, excellent
that Rob Bickerman made earlier in the day. Gareth Bateman must have the easiest job in the world, mustn't he, at half-time? To say to Fiji players, well, just carry on doing what you're doing. But he did make one point there, keep the discipline. Bolatha has been suspended, so you just want to keep the discipline, no yellow cards. General message, carry on doing what you're doing. Defence was good right on their line. It's a great kick-off, receipt from Fiji. Round the back door, slips it away. Look at this, Nanduva, sumptuous from Fiji. It really is.
Yeah, brilliant. Look at Botitu. Deliver perfect offload to Twumwaka, and Twumwaka also for Nanduva. Quick pass, nice agility, good balance. This is Fiji. Twumwaka breaks the line. One end pass or so. Nanduva for the scoreline. Easy rugby like that. So easy.
It's certainly easy on the eye. They are the series leaders. They took over from the US of A last weekend in London, the penultimate leg.
5. Back to boxing. 4.
Go to touch. This will suit the more structured, more measured approach, physical approach that they have.
Yes, thank you.
Nolte, it's gone over his head. Bolivar screaming through the middle now. There's just no stopping them. Nanduva again. That's a double for him in this second half.
And again, look at turnover from Ireland. And Kakao Balavu runs straight and give a good ball for his support. Nanduva again. This is a Fiji. They always have player behind the back, always a support every time.
What I loved about that, it comes over the back of the line out, those first 2-3 steps, so important to get behind Ireland. And then, as you say, there's that spear, that arrowhead, a man on the left, a man on the right, every single time. And that's why so often there's so many sighted classes, no-look classes from Fiji. They're in front of the kicker there. Noticed a couple of those today. Good to see the referee good enough on that one.
Strong win of Fiji, 35. Norm.
Let's go now.
Before the day 2. Strong message delivered to
I think that will please. Sorry, Jamie. I think that will please them as well. The 0 defensively. So far, anyway. 3 minutes left. Long time in the game of sevens. Lennox. Maida. It's a contact area again, isn't it? Heading Ireland down. Huge pass. Runalangi. Box to another back. Ireland saw it coming. Good anticipation. McNulty. Fitzpatrick was there or thereabouts as well.
Look at this pass. One hand, no look back. They play too much confidence with this one.
Too much to say the word showboating. Fiji. The game is won. Their quarter-final is booked. Who will they play? Japan.
Crouch. Bind. Set.
Still come though. Guilty.
Liz, no, leave.
Dardis. Guilty again. Hit the tackle over the top. Uprooted. Huge hit, but Ireland have done well to keep possession. Dardis again. Sullivan. Peter Sullivan pumping the legs, determined, and he's over. Ireland fight right to the very end.
Great effort from Sullivan.
Come on, please.
Full tackle. Went to tackle. The spin. That is the tackle of Lavuva. One spin on Sullivan. And he can fend number 3. Baka going the corner. Great reaction from Irish.
We saw Argentina in the game before up against England, that refusal to give up, something you can't really coach, and Ireland have got that determination up, even up against the leaders of the series at the moment. 2 points in the US of A.
Back off
Goal
point.
last year. Ended up losing the entire series. Cuckoo gives it to his pal.
Back off brain for me. Back off brain for me.
Try to kick off again. Why? Gives the ball to Bubaka. But there is no support. You can see the fact that he taps the ball and there is no support to the arms.
So simple in the end, but it looks so simple. They make it look so simple. Fiji, their quest for another series title into the Cup quarter-finals here in Paris. They've seen off Ireland 40 points to 5. Now it'll be Rob Bickerman and Simon Ward to take you through the Scotland against Japan game, as the Irish and Fiji players congratulate each other. Fine performance to Ireland again. They really are growing in stature. Sevens knowledge beginning to grow, and that try right at the death